Hey guys, this is a quick review of this printer toner cartridge I got for my brother. I have the model L2380DW, but it works with different models, right? So it works pretty fine. This is the TN660, and here I have the tray from my printer. Just remove it from there and you see how it works. So basically you just put it here that way. Okay, and it fits pretty good. And then I can just insert this into my printer. As you can see here on my screen, I have the cover open. So I have the software here that I see how much ink is still there. So basically I'm gonna put this there and you see that's going to work, right? So let me just put it there and I'll be back in a while. There we go, as you can see here on the screen. It says please wait, so it's just basically checking the cartridge that I put it there, and then you can see how much I have there, right? So it works pretty fine. I was printing a lot and it's everything good, right? So that's the one. It comes with 4 cartridges. As you can see here, I have 3 plus the one that I put it there already, and works pretty fine. Okay, so I use this one. It's very good. Works pretty fine. As you can see here on the screen again, it's ready now and starts working, right? So you have if you have different printers from Brother, it works with a lot of them. Just take a look at the list so you can get yours on Amazon. I highly recommend it.